In this video, I will show you how to watch ESPN Plus on YouTube TV. So let's jump straight into it. So ESPN Plus is actually a separate streaming service from ESPN that offers additional sports content including things like live events, original shows and much more. Now YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service that does provide access to various channels, which does include ESPN, but it doesn't actually include ESPN Plus content as part of its offering. So if you do want to watch ESPN Plus content, you'll need to subscribe to ESPN Plus directly through its website or even through the app. Once you have an active ESPN Plus subscription, you can access ESPN Plus content through the ESPN app or website using, of course, your ESPN Plus account credentials. So what you need to do is visit the ESPN Plus website or alternatively download the ESPN app on your preferred device and then sign up for a ESPN Plus subscription. After subscribing to ESPN Plus, you can access ESPN Plus content through the ESPN app on various devices such as things like smartphones, tablets, streaming devices, so things like a Roku or Fire TV, Apple TV, and also smart TVs. You can also watch ESPN Plus content on the ESPN official website using a web browser on your computer. So when accessing ESPN Plus content through the ESPN app or website, you'll need to log in using the credentials associated with your ESPN Plus subscription. Once you're logged in, you can browse and watch ESPN Plus content, including things like live events, exclusive shows, on-demand content, and much more. So whilst YouTube TV does not provide access to ESPN Plus content directly, you can still enjoy live sports and other programming available through ESPN's channels, which are included in the YouTube TV subscription. Now, just a note that at the time of recording, this is the current subscription and availability, and it does vary by region and it does change from time to time. So it's always a good idea to check the current offerings and supported devices on the official websites of ESPN Plus and YouTube TV for the most accurate up-to-date information. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.